Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Confessions of a Paper Addict Cutfiles design team layout. Today, I have for you, oh gosh, it's all wonky. I don't know if I need to even keep these insides. I just have them hanging out. But it is the quarter sunflower cut file. This was released last July. I've had a cut for quite a while now, and I really wanted to play with it. I have an idea. I'm not sure at the moment if the 30 days of sketches sketch for today would work. I don't think so. I'll have to look at it again. But otherwise, if it does work, I'll use it. If not, I have a different idea for using it. So I'm going to go ahead and pick out a collection and get this cut file backed, and then we'll go ahead and play. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, I ended up deciding on the gorgeous collection from Pink Fresh called Flower Market. I got a kit from the scrap room, and I was playing with the photos or the papers a little bit. So I have this beautiful photo of my niece, and this photo is kind of why I decided to go with this collection and what I chose, because she's wearing these adorable blue bibs and this cute little yellow shirt. And so I backed the cut file in this yellow pattern, this beautiful florals on the back, and then I matted it with this, or backed this part of the flower with the blue cardstock that came in the scrap room kit that I got for this month. This is part of the double shot kit. And so then I backed the photo with that blue cardstock and then did the floral paper behind the photo. And I was really loving all the colors. We got this awesome, it's like an almost pink cardstock. What's it called? So the blue is Basil Stonewash. And then this cardstock is Basil Touch of Pink, which it's very interesting, and it matches actually the colors in this collection really, really well. So I wanted to kind of create a box, I thought, that was like the size of this flower instead of just sticking in a normal corner, and I wanted to add more color. So I've got a touch of pink, and then I got this paper, which is this one's palette. Yeah. And then this is the back of palette. And so then I took the gutted piece from the touch of pink, and it worked perfectly to matte. So I've got mattes on mattes on mattes. I did go around the cut file just slightly to bring a little bit more yellow with some squeezed lemonade around the edges before, with the pattern paper before I backed it. And I think what I'm going to do is do that on these papers as well. Just bring a little bit of yellow just to give it that little bit of glow. So I'm going to ink the edges of the two patterns really quick in squeezed lemonade and glue all this stuff down, and kind of how I had my photo, I think, is what I'm going to do. And then I just need to find a title and play with some embellishments, and we're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will kind of show you where we're at after that point. All right, I started going to town with the embellishments I got. So I got a bunch of florals, and I got I want this leaf. I think I put this a little too low. I got a bunch of florals, and I got a little bit of stickers, but sorry, I wanted to stretch my florals a little bit more, so I went and grabbed my stash because I know I have tons of these random collections of florals. So I had these ones, which I can't tell you what they're from at the moment, but it had this cute little package that had some florals in it, this little bear that's holding florals. Tucked him in, and then I was able to move some of my flowers down, but I got a lot of them put down here. I'm trying to pop up some of this stuff on foam just to give it a little bit more. I had some Elle Studio labels, so I was able to grab those, tuck them, as well as some of these freckled fawn hearts that are like perfect color. It really brings out the green, which is funny because I was really wanting to bring out the yellow, but this really makes the green pop. So now I think I thought about using some of these Ferdinand Market rub-ons to put in this label here, but I think I'm just going to write the date because then we're good. So I glued all this down. Want all that to catch. Got my 3 little clusters there. And yeah, I think we've got it. I think the only other thing I might do is one, washi tape the back of this. We'll washi tape the back since I have all these seams so that they don't catch on things. And I think we might add some white splatters, but other than that, this is it, I think. So take a good look at that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry you don't see tons of the process. It's just more, it's kind of more ideas than process, but yeah. I was just doing some tucking and but there is that. So thank you again. Make sure you check out the new website if you haven't already. It opened up in February. Just got almost all their cut files loaded up, especially the new ones are on there. Some of the old ones though are still being loaded, so be patient. But also you can always check out the Facebook group for some inspiration. And yeah, her Virginia's YouTube channel. All those good places to look for inspiration on how to use these amazing cut files. They honestly design themselves though. As soon as you back them, everything's like perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and write a date and do some white splatters, and then you guys will see some close-ups. So we'll see you next time.